sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within.
I just lay down to start reading my book. I'm starting this one next. I like to break up my fantasy with either a literary fiction or a self-help style book, and this one I chose. And I opened it, and how cute is this? That's so sweet. This is from my mum. This is my nickname because I'm sick all the time. Not so much now, but when I was a kid. Look at these pens in Officeworks. How cute are they? Oh, gonna get them all. Planning our next holiday together. This is literally my childhood nickname. What the hell? Need. Come on, Stu, you gotta get that for me. I put the name on his KFC order as Boo Boo Boo. And it wasn't coming up straight to ask you.
So awkward.
I made carbonara for dinner. Keeping the leftover pasta water because I'll add that when I put it in the little meal prep containers. This will not be enough. I did need to meal prep 2 dishes today for the week, but I don't know. I was shopping. I'm coming on my period, so I'm getting this and some chocolate. Full time. Look at mine, nice and normal. Look at his. What the hell? I chose this for him though. Ew. Ew. I woke up at 4 AM to make cream egg cookies. This one looks so cute. There's like a little smiley face, baby. We're gonna call you Kelly. No, I don't think it does. Aww, only on one side. On free foot content on, what day is it? On Thursdays we come to the park and we play ball together. It's very cute.
Yeah.
I just had a doctor's appointment. Well, very close right now. Just avoiding the sun because I'm suffering with severe bloating, and she was so helpful. She was so nice. I thought she wasn't going to take me seriously at all because usually doctors don't, in my experience. Ooh. But yeah, she was super nice. She was going to test me for IDS, inflammatory disease something, and then also for IBS, celiac, or some like travel disease that I could have got while I was away. So I'm going to document my little process and we're going to see what the hell is wrong with me. I'm switching up my coffees for some peppermint tea. Oh wow, it just so cute actually.
It does look great.
I love you. My hair is ruined.
Shattering my ego.
Yeah, we won. Broncos won. Sorry, Stu. Yes. Stu's got this one with its little chair. And I have one with a drink holder. Oh, can you unlock my helmet? Thank you.
Wait. I'm gonna unlock it first. There we go.
Oh wait, the bag's yours, the bag's yours. I'm not taking the bag, no way, I'll absolutely crash.
I'm definitely gonna crash down this sitting down.
Inception. We have come to Morans Falls for a little hike in, where is it? Somewhere near O'Reilly's. It's like in the Gold Coast hinterland, right?
Lamington
National Park. And it's so beautiful. Look at this. How nice. Look how beautiful. You see what it's eating? What is that? You ready?
Sure.
Oh, scary.
Right there. What is it?
Did you see? We were just on the hike on the way back, and they have, is it death adders?
No, that's a red-bellied black snake.
They have red-bellied black snakes here, which are very dangerous. And we just saw one, and Stu nearly ran me down the cliff because he wanted to protect me. He's gonna tell you some facts because I don't know them. How annoyed would you be if I walked up there?
Well, we can show them up there if they want. But yeah, it was just on that side part, just where that bit of sun is. It was sunbathing. It's winter, it's starting to get a bit warmer.
I wish I got a video of it. It would be so cool.
But we like them because although they're very deadly themselves, they eat and prey on the eastern browns, which
is even worse, right?
are the second deadliest in the world. So keep them around. But they're really beautiful. They're gorgeous little black, and then on the other side it's ruby red type thing. Yeah, we were just walking, and something moved beside my foot, and I looked down, and Drew and I were about half a foot away from the red-bellied black snake. It is. It's funny. I was just telling Drew before I went off on this little trail by myself near the waterfall, and I just was feeling that the snake was near me.
Yeah, it's the first time I've seen one on a hike actually. It's cool. Run.
Thank you.
I started when I used my stars.